Don't start a YouTube channel if you don't have a phone. You might have a camera, you might have laptop, but make sure you have a phone. The second thing here is don't start YouTube if you know you have not studied YouTube. If you know you don't know anything about algorithm, you don't know anything about YouTube, don't start a YouTube. Make sure you go and study YouTube very well. Study algorithm very well. Why do I say this? So that you don't quit as so many have quitted. The reason behind people quitting YouTube after starting YouTube after 1 week, after 2 weeks, after 1 month, after 1 year is not studying the YouTube platform and algorithm, how the system work. If you don't know about this platform very well, if you have not studied the industry called YouTube, don't start YouTube because others have started a channel, because others have a channel, because others have started making thousands and millions of naira and dollar from this platform. Yes, it's good to make money. Yes, YouTube is paying and is the most or the high paying online platform so far. If you have not studied YouTube, if you have not studied algorithm, don't start so that you don't quit after a week, after 1 week, after 2 weeks, after 1 month, after 3 months. Before you start anything, I think even a business, you will learn the trade, you will learn the system. Even in education, for you to be certified as someone who has undergo such process in school, if you know you are not prepared, don't start a channel so that you don't quit. The reason why I made mention of this is that we have a lot of challenges on YouTube today. Another thing here is don't start a YouTube channel if you have not prepared your mindset to take every burnout that will come out from it. Because in anything you are making to make money, to make ends meet, it is not always rosy. Plan and prepare yourself for the rainy day, for the challenge that will come. And I think YouTube is a platform that pays when the work is done. Another point is don't start YouTube when you know you will not give your maximum time. YouTube is not a platform. It's not a business you do at your leisure. Go and ask the old YouTubers. You must be what? You must have time for YouTube. It's not a business, it's not a platform you give your spare time. And by the time you think you have given your spare time, you are expecting the revenue, you are expecting monetization. No. You must give YouTube what? A maximum time. And in that maximum time leads us to another point, which is consistency. I think if you are into trade and you are not going to your business area at when due and often, you will lose those your customers. And in a working sector, if you are not going regular, you will not be paid. The same thing is applicable to YouTube. You have to be consistent in dishing out content, making your research, getting updated. Another thing is don't start YouTube if you know you are not the patient type.